we're going to see how to add an LLM to your workspace and how to create a simple flow using our AI features. First, you're going to go into your settings, go down here to AI. I'll go up in the upper right-hand corner and choose one of these models. We have 4 options. I'm going to add a new Google. Copy your API key, click Next. Okay, choose the model. Choose Gemini, click Next. You can name your model. I'm going to leave this same name here since I have 2 different types of LLMs added. I'm going to just keep that for easy distinction. Click Submit. My LLM is now connected to my TextIt account and I'm ready to create flows using the Call AI action. Okay, let's go in and create a new flow. I'm going to create a flow that checks in with patients from a wellness office. I'll begin my flow by asking my patient how they're feeling today. Okay, from here I'm going to add a wait for response. I'm going to leave this blank because I'm going to let them respond however they are feeling, however they would like. I'll name the result patient response. Okay. All right, here's where we're going to add in our Call AI action. So drop down to Call AI service. Make sure you select your model. I'm going to choose my Gemini. Here is the input the AI will process. I want it to take the information from the wait for response results or what the patient answered. So I'm going to put at results dot, and it popped up for me, patient response. Tell the AI what to do with the input. Just like we like to lead our contacts to respond how we want, let's lead our LLM to also respond how we want. Let's be as specific as possible. Rate how good this person is feeling today. Only return a number 1 through 10, 1 being the best. So I'm really specific about exactly what I want it to return. Okay, down here we can see the result can be referenced as at locals.llm output. So the results from whatever AI response. We can use this to reference the output from our AI. Here we can see success and failure. So failure is simply that our LLM was not working, something was not connected. So I'm just going to let them know that it's out of service for now. Okay, on the other side, we have success. That means that our LLM is functioning and returned an output. So we're going to go ahead and I would like to divide up the responses. So I'm going to add a split by custom expression. Okay, if the expression, so where is it getting its information from? I wanted to take the response that my LLM just turned out. Okay, so I'm going to use what I just showed you, put at locals.llm output. It should pop up. What is it going to split? It's going to split this response from my LLM. Okay, and since I asked for numbers, I'm going to choose has a number between. If the number is between 1 and 4, I will categorize it as good. They're having a good day. Between 5 and 7, all right, okay. Between 8 and 10, I will categorize it as bad. Okay, click OK. So if someone responded to me that they are having a very bad day, we need to follow up there, okay? So I'm going to get them in contact with a live agent, a human agent. Okay, I'll assign this to Christine Smith. I'll say patient needs wellness check. Okay, if they wrote okay, I'll say sounds like you're having a bit of a rough day. Okay, and it's not urgent, but if there's time later, I'll see if my coworker can please check in later. So I'm going to say send somebody else a message, my coworker. I'd like her to follow up if she has time. If they wrote good, I'm just going to say that's great. We'll be in touch again tomorrow. Let's test our flow in the simulator and see if it behaves as we expect. Okay, how are you feeling today? I'm going to respond, terrible. Okay, good. So I got a message that said, please hang on, and they're going to put me in touch with the chat agent. I can see that a ticket was opened. Okay, and then I exited the flow. Let's try again with a good response. Okay, so simply my response was set to great, and they said that they'll be beep, and they responded they'll be in touch again tomorrow, and no further action needed to be taken. Okay, hopefully you have a general idea of how you can use AI in your flows. Stay tuned for more examples of how we can use the Call AI action. As always, please reach out on our chat widget. We're always happy to help.